titos and my mom. And guess who I will budol today? My two titos. And so we're on our way now, and we'll see you guys when we're there. Bye-bye! Hi guys, we just arrived in Ikea, and now we're at the Ikea party. And since it's so early, the entrance is still not open, so we have to walk all the way there. Well, we're just waiting for now for my mom, and I'll show you guys the way to the Ikea entrance. Bye! Hi guys, we just got here and we are shopping for the house, and it's kind of hard living with the boys because they want everything in black. So now we are looking for tables, desks, chairs, whatever accessories we can use for the house. Here in Ikea, they also have lots of great showrooms when they show you their desks, tables, and beds all in one room and show you how they design it in their way. So if you think it looks good in your opinion, you could buy it. And that's how Ikea does it. So we're just going to shop around for a bit, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! What I love about the Ikea, the beds. Right now we're in the bed section and we're trying to look for some stuff for now. There's so much things. There's so many people. There's a purple bed. It's my favorite color. Okay, I'm going to go check this bed. I'm living the life. The bed chair is so soft and comfy. Oh my god. It's also stuffed toys. Ta-da! There's also pillows here, trays, lamps, whatever you name it, it's here. I got a panda. I bulldogged my tito to get a panda. So what I got is a panda and a cloud lamp. Yes, you heard me right. Cloud lamp. Cloud lamp. Yay! I'm not happy because I boodled my tito and my mom and anyone who's buying. So, warning, if you shop with me, I will make you buy anything I want. I'm just joking. Yep. I'm now driving the cart. Goodbye.
Yan na yung doormat nila dito.
Oh, darn it. Okay. Yay! I am now the Boodle Master. So right now, I think we're going to check out a few more things, and we're going to buy them. So, okay, I'm driving. This is harder. Okay, wait. Okay, get this. Got this. Right. Okay. Oh my god, wait.
Can you push it?
Yeah, I think I can push it. Pots and pans. Do not hit the pots and pans. Do not hit the pots and pans. Hallelujah. Okay. I'm driving the cart. I'm driving the cart. Yay. We're adding a few more stuff right now. And I think we'll be done in a while. So we're gonna have to wait there. See you guys in a bit. Bye. I am the driver of the cart.
Parang kailangan ko ng shower.
I'm the driver of the cart. Driver of the cart. I'm the driver of the cart. Okay, so
Digital din.
it's like it's traffic here.
Paano uli exit?
Okay.
Exit po.
Kanan na po kayo
Let's
dito. Tapos kanan.
go.
Nasa Alexa?
Sa amin din, sa inyo.
Kailangan ko ba?
Ay, Jay.
There's so much things they want to buy. They have like 20 things in this cart. Okay. I'm just gonna drive this cart for a while. Okay. Adios. Hi guys, I'm back, and we already paid for everything, and that's it for today. I hope you guys liked my vlog, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!